Namaskar friends, welcome to MJ Talks, and today I am going to read this poetry. First of all, this was my fortune. I was blessed to be able to got this opportunity to translate the great visionary saint Munik Shama Sagar's poetry. I edited his poetry and compiled them and translated them into English. And he was a wonderful writer. He used to write poetry on, to which motivated us to peep within, just to do more and further self-analyzation. So today I'm going to read one poetry from his book. We named this book Abstract Whispers. In Hindi, we called it Amurt Fusfusahate. And so today, right now, I'm going to read Mohtaj. It is the Hindi title. Is originally written by Munik Shama Sagar, and then I will read the English version, which is titled as Dependent, and I did the translation. So I'm going to read out the Hindi one. Mohtaj. तुम कहते रहे मैं सुनता रहा, तुम लिखते रहे मैं पढ़ता रहा, तुम चलाते रहे मैं चलता रहा, इतना तो ठीक था मैं सहता रहा, पर फिर तुम्हारा मेरे होने को नकारना, ये बेईमानी का तकाजा ज़रा भारी लगा। मैं संभाल नहीं सका, गिर गया, गिरा ही रहा, उठ नहीं सका ना सही, पर सुकून है किसी का मोहताज तो नहीं रहा, पर सुकून है किसी का मोहताज तो नहीं रहा. Now I am going to read the English version. Dependent. You kept saying, I kept listening. You kept writing, I kept reading. You kept managing, I kept being managed. That was still okay, I kept enduring. But then your negation of my being, this claim of dishonesty seemed a little heavier. I could not handle. I kept fallen, could not get up. That was okay. But I am at peace that at least I did not depend on someone. But I am at peace that at least I did not depend on someone. I hope this poetry would have provided you some solution for life. That's it for now. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.